Okay, so in this video we are going to see how to set up a style guide before building a website in Webflow. So in the last video we got to see how websites layout are built on with section, column and row. Whatever, let's delete them. So right now we have a fresh canvas. So before we start creating a website, if we set up or create a style guide, then it will save our time and it will uh, make our website more user friendly. So what is the meaning of setting up style guide? Meaning of setting up style guide means choosing our fonts, apply our fonts on all pages. We know that we use only one or two fonts in a website, and we use normally our brand color, which is logo color and black and white, and then we set up some headings. And our headings in our website maintain some structure, like the first heading is bigger, then the second one is little small, then small, step by step. This is how. So let's get started. First of all, we'll choose our font. So right now we have only our body tag, so we'll select our body tag, and now from the style selector we'll choose body all pages, and now here we will apply our fonts. So I'm trying to use Roboto fonts in all pages, but right now I don't think Roboto is here. So I'm going to click on add fonts, and here I will search Roboto. Now it has regular version, then 700, 700 italic, 900. Normally I will need regular and 700 for now, I hope. So add font, and it's already added. Now if I go and refresh, then I will get this font. Okay, now again I'm selecting on body tag, then selecting all pages, and now if I go to typography and take a look, then here is Roboto. So that means in body all pages I have applied Roboto font. So whenever we will apply text, it will automatically get Roboto font, and here we can change 400 to 700, etc. So our font is selected. One step is done. Now we have two more steps: selecting or setting up our heading and setting up our colors. So right now I will take some headings. So I will click on plus icon, add elements, and then I will click on heading. Okay, right now it is on heading 1. So our text is selected, and now I will click on this size selector again, and I can see all H1 headings. So I will select this. So I have select heading 1, and now I will set up my font for heading 1. So I will keep it 700 bold, and I will make it 58. So our heading 1 is selected. Now I will duplicate this, Ctrl D, and now I will click on the setting icon and I will make it heading 2, and from here I will select all H2 headings, and now my second heading should be 48. So 2 heading is selected. Now let's go for another, Ctrl D, duplicate, and now again setting icon and 3. So our heading 3, again select all heading H3 headings, and I will make it 38. So this is how actually web structure are built on. If you go to a website, you will see the first heading is bigger, then the second one is small big, then small. This is how. And now I'll select one more heading, Ctrl D, and I'll make it heading 4, and select all H4, and I will make it 24. So our heading are selected. Right now we don't need these tags, so I will delete all of them and will make everything clear. So this will save our time a lot. Whenever we'll apply a heading tag, so we don't need to select the size or other things. When we will select this class, it will automatically take that font. So our two things is done: font selecting is done and heading setting up is done. Right now we'll go to this variable icon, and here we will click on new variable, and now we'll click on color. So we'll set up few colors what will be necessary for our heading, our website. So first one is white color. Definitely white color is needed, and the color is already selected as white. One more, again color, and now it will be black. Definitely we will need white and black, and black color I will select now. After except these two colors, we need 2 or 3 more colors. To select those colors, we can randomly select 2 colors. Like suppose we have a logo and our logo is built on blue and deep blue, so we will take 2 more colors from our brand. So just imagine we have a logo and it is blue color, so I will select blue, and now from here I will select the color. So I am selecting this Tiffany blue, and suppose I have another color on logo which is dark blue. Suppose this one. Okay, all our style guide setup is done. So right now let me show you how things actually work. So for example, I'm taking a section and I'm selecting the color. Look, now I'm going to select my background color. So actually I had to select my color from here, but as I have already selected 4 colors, so I can choose any one of them. So if I click on this plus icon, then I can see all these 4 global colors. So I'm selecting this background color. Okay, I'll set up a height on my section. Suppose 60 pixel, alter, enter. So up and bottom will take 60 pixel. So right now I'm going to take a div. Okay, I will take it inside this section, and I will take padding of 20 pixel. You just keep seeing. Okay, suppose now I will take a heading. So I'll click on plus icon again and take this heading. So right now I will take heading 1. So I have no need to go to this typography and selecting fonts or anything. I will just select this heading from here, H1. Now I can choose the color again, plus icon, and I will choose my shape color white. And look, this font is automatically taken as Roboto, as we already set up applied this font in all pages. So this is how actually style guide works. It saves a lot of time, and it is really user friendly and responsive for our website. So I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you really like this video, really liked or enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and it will inspire me to create more videos. So thank you, tata, goodbye.